Here is an example. You may want to try this out by yourself, and once you're ready, play the video again. Alright, welcome back. So the strategy is exactly the same as before. We're going to find out we're going to use this formula, right? And we need to check whether we have the information for x0 and y0. Luckily we do. Here's the point. That means I know that x0 in this case is 0 and y0 in this case is equal to -12. So I need to find out what m is, and m here is going to be -1 over the derivative at x0. In our case, x0 happens to be 0, so y dash of 0. Alright, so what's my first step? First step is to figure out what that is. So to do that, I need to take the derivative of this function. But before I can take the derivative of that particular function, it might be best to expand that. So that becomes, so x times 6 becomes 6x. X times x is x squared. And then I will have -2 times 6, -12. -2 times x, -2x. Now putting everything together, this will be x squared. 6x minus 2x is 4x minus 12. Now this is the curve y. So I know I need to find the derivative with respect to y. So y dash, power comes down, power is reduced by 1, plus the derivative of 4x is just going to be 4. Derivative of constant is 0. So this is what I'm going to have. 2x plus 4. And I want to evaluate it at 0. That is, replace x by 0. So my gradient here is 4. So the next thing, what is my m? My m then is -1 over y dash of 4. That is this thing here. Okay? And it's -1 over 4. So my equation of the normal line at the point 0, -12 is simply going to be y minus, again, here is a negative number, so use a bracket, equal to -1 over 4 times x minus 0. So that will become y plus 12 equal to -1 over 4x. Over here is -1 over 4 times -0 means 0. So I have y equal to -x over 4 minus 12. Is this the answer? Well, check the question again. Write the equation in the form of this. Aha, I need to put it into this form, and remember that a, b, and d usually are going to be integers. So I'm going to have this as, so what I'm going to do is to multiply everything by 4. So it's 4y, 4 times -x over 4 minus 12. So this is 4y equal to -x minus 4 times 12 is 48. Therefore, my answer here will be 4y plus x plus 48 equal to 0. Or I can rewrite it as x plus 4y plus 48 equal to 0. That is a equal to 1 and b is equal to 4 and d is equal to 48. So here's the equation of my normal line.